You hear the...
Oh, we just hear it. Okay.
Okay. So Brian. Actually, I came in a little closer to you guys now. Now I'm within 3 points.
Oh, sheesh.
I'll take my shot. I'll take my shot.
Hand on that one.
Oh, what is that? Was an interesting shot.
Oh.
Oh,
Man.
dang. Talk about open. Oh, jeez. That was an interesting goal.
That's what I couldn't get on
After all that.
Walden.
4 minutes.
Whoop. That guy on the ice. Whoa. Whoa.
3 minutes.
Whoa. Whoop. Whoa.
2 minutes.
Damn.
Yep.
Yeah,
That
I'll
is-
take it.
Oh yeah, it counts. All counts.
Oh!
Oh.
And I sticky tack these down that one player.
Yeah. Damn, chunks my small one. My guy flew right off.
Oh, man.
Oh, nice. I love that one.
Oh, man.
A nice tuck. Woo. Right off his head. Oh, jeez.
Oh, man.
Went through everybody.
1 minute.
Oh.
Dang.
30 seconds.
Ugh.
20 seconds.
Oh.
10 seconds.
Well, there we go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.